Hey friends, tired of looking in the mirror and thinking, how will I ever lose this belly? Today, I'll show you a plan that melts fat without starving yourself. Are you ready? Let's breakfast, I go with oats or egg whites. And for lunch, a salad with grilled chicken. Perfect for staying fit. For a snack, I usually go with yogurt or fruit. I aim to keep my calories between 1,500 and 2,000 per day. Drink at least 3 liters of water daily. Stay hydrated, stay energized.
Avoid these sugary drinks, pastries, late-night eating. If you consume these daily, no workout can save you. The choice is yours. Stand tall, feet together, jump straight up, legs out, arms overhead.
Lift your knees high. Keep your core tight. Don't move forward. Stay strong. Keep going.
Hold the plank. Keep your body straight. Tighten your core.
Don't drop your hips. Stay strong. Keep holding.
Sit back into the squat. Keep your chest up. Heels on the floor. Push through your legs. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Action. Step forward with control. Drop the back knee straight forward.
Heels. Push through the front heel. Feel the glutes and quads working.
Slow it down. Twist with control. Elbow to knee. Feel your core burn. Forearms down. Body straight. Glutes tight. Abs engaged. Hold strong. Breathe steadily. Slow down now. Raise your arms. Stretch your core. Breathe in. Breathe out. Let the fat burn settle.
Look yourself now. Look at yourself now.
You started with power. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today changed everything. Follow this plan. Stay consistent.
Fat will drop. Confidence will rise.
This is not a workout. This is a lifestyle. Welcome to Tips for Fits. Subscribe now. Like this video. Comment ready. Your transformation starts here.